Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an extended trend line on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. Then the first thing you have to add a normal trend line. Okay. So click on any place on your chart and click on this icon and click on trend line here. If you can't see it, click on the plus and choose trend line like this. And now let's add the trend line, for example, from this point to this point. Okay. Now we have to make it an extended trend line. So all you have to do is click on any place, click on this icon again, and click on your trend line. Now we have here ray right. This will extend your trend line to the right. Okay. And we have here ray left. This one will extend it to the left. Okay. So for this video, I will choose this one. You can choose them both if you want. But for me, I will choose just ray right. Click on save. Let's go back. And as you can see, this is our extended trend line. Okay. Now, if you add another one, it will be an extended trend line automatically. So let's add another one, for example. Click here. You can choose here. And if we click here, as you can see, this is our trend line. It's an extended trend line. If you choose ray right and ray left, you will see an extended trend line to the left from here. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.